Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put a dot above a number in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, write some number. Then click on the number side, then go to the insert menu and click symbol option, then choose more symbol. Then click the font normal text and subset combining directional marks. Then select the combining dot below, then insert it, then close the window. Now we can see here we put a dot above a number very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.